In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade MetaTrader 5 on PC. By the end, you'll feel comfortable opening the platform, placing trades, and managing them with confidence. First, install MetaTrader 5 and open it on your computer. Log in using your broker account details so the platform can connect to your trading server. Once connected, take a moment to look around. On the left, MarketWatch lists real-time prices. The main area shows charts where you'll see price action. At the bottom, the terminal displays your open trades, account history, and alerts. On the left as well, the navigator helps you switch accounts and add indicators. A quick orientation here will make everything else smoother. Next, choose what you want to trade. In MarketWatch, find your instrument, like a currency pair, an index, or a commodity. Right-click it and select Chart Window to open a live chart. MetaTrader 5 supports Forex, CFDs, indices, commodities, and more, so pick the market that fits your plan. When you're ready to place a trade at the current price, open a market order. You can press F9, click New Order on the toolbar, or right-click the chart and choose Trading, then New Order. In the order window, confirm the symbol, set your volume, which is the lot size, and optionally add a stop loss and take profit. Click Buy if you expect price to rise, or Sell if you expect it to fall. Market orders execute immediately at the current price, so double-check everything before confirming. If you're unsure about lot size, start small until you understand how it affects your risk. If you prefer to enter at a specific future price, use a pending order. In the same new order window, change type to pending order. Choose Buy Limit or Sell Limit to trade a reversal at a better price, or Buy Stop or Sell Stop to trade a breakout beyond the current price. Advanced users can select Buy Stop Limit or Sell Stop Limit. Set your price level, stop loss, and take profit, then confirm. The order will trigger only when price reaches your level. After a trade is open, manage it in the terminal under the Trade tab. Double-click the position to modify stop loss or take profit, or close it using the X or by right-clicking and selecting Close Order. You can also adjust SL and TP directly on the chart by dragging the horizontal lines. Before placing trades, analyze the market. Switch chart timeframes like M1, M5, H1, or D1. Add indicators such as moving averages, RSI, or MACD, and draw trend lines or support and resistance. This technical groundwork helps define clear entry and exit points. To recap the basics, a buy or long aims to profit if price goes up. A sell or short aims to profit if price goes down. A market order executes now, while a pending order waits for your chosen level. Finally, practice solid risk management. Always use a stop loss and a take profit. Only risk what you can afford, and start with a demo account to build skill before trading real funds. That's how to trade MetaTrader 5 on PC. Follow these steps, stay disciplined, and keep learning with each trade.